Hello, my name is Sebastian Sivertsen. I'm the product manager for Hot Work Tool Steels here in Hagfors, Sweden. Many times when it comes to die casting and I visit customers, they have issues with sticking, causing problems of releasing. This means that aluminium is sticking on the die surface. We often call this as soldering, which means that aluminium wants to eat iron from the die steel, so it sticks and solidifies on the die surface. How can you solve this? In many cases, this is solved by creating a barrier on the die steel. It could be with a nitridation or other surface treatment such as PVD coating. But what you often are forgetting about this is that soldering is often connected to high temperature and also on the longer time, which means typical hotspots region, which are thicker castings. And in these thicker castings, you will have shrinkage porosity. So you could solve the soldering issues with the surface treatment, but still you will have porosity levels in the casting. We have another approach to combine two solutions into one, and that is with Uddeholm Additive Manufacturing Solutions of Uddeholm Die 4 AM. With Die 4 AM, we 3D print die with conforming cooling to lower the die surface temperature. This lowers the soldering tendency, but also reduces the shrinkage porosity. And now maybe you think, okay, AM insert of die, that is very interesting, but how could I get a 3D printed insert? With this, we have also ensured that we have a supply chain. So we have additive manufacturing center around the globe, which can design and also provide with printed inserts according to your needs that are customized after your tool inserts. So with this, we could help you reduce the soldering tendency, but also lower your shrinkage porosity, which reduces your scrap rate.